Dear student, hope you all are good. Today we will start the first chapter of computer from class 8th, Introduction to Visual Basic. This is our first topic, Introduction to Visual Basic. So let's get started. Visual Basic is a high-level programming language involved from the earlier DOS version called BASIC. DOS stand for Disk Operating System and BASIC stand for Beginner All-Purpose Symbolic Instructions Code. Visual Basic is a third generation event-driven programming language from Microsoft for its component object model programming model, first released in 1991 and declared legacy during 2008. What is the use of Visual Basic? Visual Basic can create executable ActiveX control or DLL files but is primarily used to develop Windows applications and to interface database system. Our next topic is how Windows works, Windows event and messages. A window is simply a rectangular region with its own boundary. You are probably already aware of several different types of window. A command button like icon, text box, options button and menu bar, all window. Microsoft Windows operating system manages all the window by assigning each and unique ID number. Events can occur through user actions such as mouse click on key press. Starting of Visual Basic, follow these steps. Step first, click on Start button to display Start menu. Step 2, click on All Program to display Program submenu. Step 3, click on Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 from Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0 submenu. What is an event-driven model? So, event-driven program is programming paradigm in which the flow of program is determined by events such as user sensor and actions, mouse click, key press, sensor output or messages from the program. Our next topic is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming based on the concept of object which can contain data in the form of field and code in the program from the procedure. Thank you. Have a nice day.